Hello grade 4, this is your English lesson for today. Today is Sunday 5th of April. We are going to have a revision. We are going to start our general revision. We have vocabulary and the grammar today. This is the page in your booklets. Open this page and start with me. Before we start, let's remember Unit 4 Vocabulary List 1. What is this? Platform. Platform. This part of the station is called, this part on which the people are standing is called the platform. Who is this man? He is a train driver. Train driver. Where is this place? What is the name of this place where you can buy tickets? It's a ticket office. Ticket office. Now we have this place where you can get on the train. This place is called train station. This is something that you can get up and down when you are going to the malls. So what is this? Escalator. Escalator. The last thing here in this list, part 1, we have this rucksack. Rucksack. Now again, repeat after me. Platform, train driver, ticket office, train station, escalator, rucksack. Before we go to the next page, you are going to write. Bring your copybooks and pencils and copy the words 3 times in your copybooks in order to remember them. Platform, train driver, ticket office, train station, escalator, and rucksack. You're going to write the list in your copybooks 3 times and then open this page in your booklets. You have this page in your booklets. You are going to answer the questions. Here you write down the words under each picture, and here you are going to match the word to the picture. You look at the picture first and then you read the words and write the number. Just write the number here in the box. Okay, the next page is also homework. You are going to fill in with missing letters. Here you are going to unscramble the letters to make or to write correct words. You are going to write the correct words here on these lines using the 4 lines, and make sure your handwriting is very good. Now let's turn to vocabulary list 2. We have this it's not electronic like in the malls. This is in your houses. What's this called? Stairs. Stairs. These are stairs. The next is what does your father like to drink in the morning? What does he like to drink in the morning? Coffee. Coffee. What's this? It's a suitcase. Suitcase. Tea. What do you like to drink? You like to drink tea. So we have stairs, coffee, suitcase, and tea. Before you go to the next page, you are going to bring your copybooks again and open a new page to write the words 3 times. So now write stairs, coffee, suitcase, and tea. Write these 4 words 3 times before you go to the next page. Now open this page. After you finish writing the words, you are going to unscramble the words, the letters to make words, and here you are going to fill in with missing letters. The last one is to look at the picture and write the word under the pictures here. Now let's turn to grammar. In Unit 8, you have will plus infinitive. We didn't use it before. This will plus infinitive has a special usage. When we use this word will. Now it's used when you talk about what you will be in the future and to express your job in the future. So when I ask you what will you be in the future, you say I will. You say I will, or I'll. They are the same. This I will, and you have the contracted form. Contracted means the short form of this one. We have I'll plus infinitive. What is infinitive? Do you remember grade 4? What is infinitive? It doesn't have, or it has no S or ES or IES. It has no ING or no DED or IED. So the infinitive form is the simple form of the verb or the exact form of the verb without any additions. It has no S, it has no ING, it has no D or ED or IED. Let's start this explanation. As we learned in classroom, the present time is now or today or this year. The past is before now. If you remember, when we pointed to the past, to yesterday, we point to yesterday. But now we are talking about future. Where is future, or when is future? Future is after now. Future is tomorrow, next year, or when you grow up and finish school. So the future is any time after today, or after now, or after this year. Let's start our examples. What will you be when you grow up? After finishing school, what will you be? I will be an ambulance driver. I'll drive the ambulance. So now he used I'll and be. Be is the infinitive form of am, is, are. Here we have I'll drive. It doesn't say, the sentence doesn't say I'll driving or I'll drives or I'll drove, for example. No, it's the infinitive form. Next example. What will you be when you grow up? I'll be a teacher. I'll be a teacher. I'll teach math. I'll teach math. Now here teach with no ing, no s, no ed. And here we use the verb be, which is the infinitive of as, is, am, and are. Here, open this page in your booklets. You can see it in Unit 8. This is will plus infinitive. This part for explanation, and we did it. Now let's correct the mistakes. You read the sentence and correct the mistake. I'll was a teacher. I'll was. How can we use was after will? No. I'll be. Number 2. I were be an astronaut. We have here be. What comes before be? Well, I'll am. What is the infinitive form of am or is or are? Be. I'll be a zookeeper. Here I was be. I will be. We are going to choose the correct answer. I'll was, were, or be. Very good. Be. I be an ambulance driver. I'll drive the ambulance. I yell. Can you see the apostrophe LL, which is the contracted form of will? I'll be a police officer. I catch dangerous criminals. I was, were, or will, or double L. I'll catch dangerous criminals. Next page has two parts. We are going to answer this part together, but this part is homework, of course. Now, the teacher will live in a space station. Can teacher live in a space station? No, an astronaut. The astronaut will live in a space station for a period of time for studying the planets. Number 2, she'll riding a bike. Is riding correct? No. Why? We have ing, but after will we use ride. Number 3, he was visit some of the stars. If the astronaut will live in the space station, he will visit. We cannot use was plus visit, but we use was plus ing. So if we use was, we use was visiting. But if we use visit, we use will before it. Number 4, I will take my friends to the cinema. We have here infinitive, so what has this to be? This has to be will again. Question number 2, we have to complete with the words in the box. She will on a comet and paint its tail. She will ride on a comet and paint its tail. Number 2, she'll meet some aliens on the moon. I'll my rocket. I'll fix my rocket. He will a space station. He will build a space station. Sarah show Noah her house. Sarah will show Noah her house. Next page, we have homework. You are going to answer this page for homework and make sure your answers are correct. Thank you grade 5 for watching my video. See you next lesson inshallah. Hope you do your homework and study well. Goodbye.